It is one of the most contagious actions on earth. Just looking at someone doing it can make you do it too. We are talking about yawning. But why does our body actually do this? For a long time, people believed yawning was just a way to pack more oxygen into our lungs. But modern science reveals a much cooler secret. Your brain is a powerful organic computer, and just like any computer, it can overheat. When you yawn, the sudden influx of cool air acts like a biological cooling fan, lowering the temperature of your brain to keep it sharp. It's a literal system reset. Did this video just make you yawn right now?